Today we are going to make pizzas. If you don't know and this is your first time watching, my name's Aanav. You're going to need lots of boxes, guys. So if you're doing any online shopping, warning, keep those boxes. You'll need some scissors. You'll need a Sharpie. You'll need some paints. You'll need some paintbrushes. Then you'll need a box, a Grit stick. And then you'll need some tissue paper. Just get any size box, guys, and then we're going to draw the front of the pizza oven and I'll show you how. Once you've drawn that, guys, you have to cut it out, paint it any colour you like, and then you should have something that looks like this. I've painted my box yellow. I've also drawn on some bricks and I've stuck on some fire. For the fire, guys, you'll need to cut up some bits of red, orange and yellow tissue paper in some strips, and that is how you get fire. You'll need a glue stick to stick it in the inside of the box. Now that the pizza oven is done, I'm going to show you how to make the pizzas. What you'll need to make the pizzas, guys, is some cardboard, a bowl and a plate, because you'll need 2 circles and a Sharpie. Right, let's get to it. Now you've got the outline of your pizza shape, you'll need to paint the crust and paint the sauce. Wait for it to dry and then you need to cut your pizza out, guys. Once you've done that, guys, you need to put your pizza away because we're ready to make those tasty pizza toppings. For this, just grab a piece of paper and a Sharpie and you can start. I've cut all my toppings up and I put them in this little box so we can put them on our pizza afterwards. I've also made this pizza board. I just drew a little rectangle and then a square and cut it out. Now it's the best part, guys. We're going to make the pizza. Now that the pizza's ready, we need something to put it in. So, surprise, I made my own pizza box. Pizzas, pizzas, anyone like a pizza? So, anyone?
Please, can I have a pizza?
Hello, are you here for my pizza? Welcome to Aanav's Pizza Place. What would you like, sir, on your pizza?
Please, can I have everything, all the toppings?
Everything. Coming right up, sir. Oh, we've got some mushrooms and look, some peppers,
Yum.
pepperoni.
Yummy.
Time to put it in the pizza oven. Oh, it looks like it's ready.
Oh, I can't wait.
Very careful, it's hot. Would you like this as a takeaway, sir?
Oh, yes, please.
Nice box. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Gosh, that was tiring. Being a pizza man is very hard work. Remember, you can put any toppings you want on your pizza. Thanks for watching and thanks for coming to Aana's Pizza Place. Bye.